Did you know that there is a rare night sky phenomenon that is hardly photographed? I'm talking about the zodiacal light. The reflection produced due to scattering of sunlight due to the particles that are moving along the entire solar system. Let me show you how to find the zodiacal light so you can go and photograph it. The zodiacal light can be observed around the spring and fall equinoxes from both hemispheres. It is visible from late February to early May and from late August to early November. But where you can find it, let's figure out. Go to PhotoPills, tap on Planner, and the first thing to do is to place the red pin, the shooting spot, right where you want to photograph the zodiacal light. For example, I have the red pin in the island of Menorca, Spain. Now set the date around the new moon in a month that the zodiacal light can be visible and photographed. For example, in September. Now we are in September, so to set the new moon date, I'm gonna tap the moon picture on the top panel until it's new moon. This is on Sunday, which is perfect. September 14th, that's great and amazing. So let's see where we can find the zodiacal light on September 14th, 2025. But first, I'll switch off the moon information on the map because I don't need the moon, I only need the sun information. Tap on the map settings button and switch off the moon layer by tapping on the eye icon next to the layer. And let's leave only the sun information here on the map. So from September to November, the zodiacal light in the northern hemisphere is visible before dawn, before the astronomical twilight begins in the morning, in the direction of sunrise, which is the thick yellow line you see here on the map. On the contrary, in the southern hemisphere, the zodiacal light is visible in the direction of sunset, right after sunset, after the astronomical twilight ends. So based on the sunrise and sunset directions, it is very easy to find a subject that can be aligned with the sunrise and sunset directions, but in this case thinking only to photograph the zodiacal light. From February to May, in the northern hemisphere, you'll find the zodiacal light in the direction of sunset, right after sunset, when the astronomical twilight ends, and in the southern hemisphere, you'll find it before dawn, in the direction of the sunrise, right before the astronomical twilight begins in the morning. So again, based on the sunrise sunset direction, you can plan the zodiacal light. For example, we could go here and try to plan the zodiacal light with our favorite stone hut that we have here in Menorca. So if I tap on the map and long press, I could just plan my zodiacal light shot, aligning the stone hut with the direction of sunrise in September 14, 2025. So when it's dark, when it's nighttime, before the astronomical twilight begins in the morning, you will be able to photograph the zodiacal light with this beautiful stone hut, like Antonio Cabrera did in this photo that you see now. Pretty cool. As you've seen, planning the zodiacal light is pretty easy. You can't really miss it. Now, if you need more help planning or photographing the zodiacal light, you can do two things. First, you can leave your questions in the comments below. I'm gonna help you. And second, I invite you to download our super detailed zodiacal light photography guide. I'm gonna leave a link to the guide in the description of this video and the first comment below. Download it. And as always, if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next Wednesday in another video. And remember that you have the power to imagine, plan and shoot legendary photos. Bye.